Hi everybody, welcome back again to March Madness. We are nearly halfway through the month. We are getting there and sticking up day by day with the OG Joseph Pilates mat repertoire. So today we have one leg kick. So we are going onto our stomach. We have our elbows underneath our shoulders, just holding our body up. You can hold your stomach up, have it nice and have your core nice and strong. And our legs are quite close together, and we are going to kick one heel towards your bottom. Kick, and we're swapping the legs. Quick, kick, and a pulse. Kick, pulse. Kick, pulse. Kick, pulse. And we'll go one more time. And that is one legged kick. Thank you for joining me again, and I will see you back here